Hi, I'm Rebecca Brand, and this is the MACH V1 Ultra Steam Cleaner Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. It's the latest in steam cleaning technology. My recipe for this mess is going to be a peanut butter Nutella boysenberry jam mess. I'm going to spice it up with a little mustard and some hot sauce, and then I might have a little coffee on top. My goal is to give my MACH V1 Ultra a real test. So I thought of what the stickiest, biggest mess is. So I'm doing a little finger painting today all over the floor. Oh, there's a Nutella. Now that's really sticky. Blech. And here's the peanut butter with little crunchies in it because I like crunchy kind. And someone always likes something strange on their sandwiches. And today it's mustard. And almost every family has a hot sauce freak involved. But I enjoy a latte with about everything I eat or drink. And I'm also an artist in real life. I like to paint. So today, it is finger paint all over my floor. I don't want to mix up the colors though. I'm keeping my palettes pure. This is going to be quite the test. Maybe some handprints too. But wait, there's more. It's going to get better because I'm going to dry all of this onto the floor with my handy dandy hairdryer. The MACH V1 Ultra has super great steam cleaning power. And it's the finest out there, so it's going to get this mess up. Okay, I think it's dried. Time to inspect my work. This is what I dried, all this area. It is really stuck on there. But just to make this more interesting, I'm going to add some coffee grinds and some dirt that someone tracked into my kitchen. Probably me. So we have the dry mess. We have the stuck-on wet mess. We have the greasy mess. That would be the Nutella and the peanut butter. And we got that jam. Now that jam is a sticky, sugary mess. Oh, and then the mustard and the hot sauce. I don't know what to classify that as. Time to fill the water tank. There is a handle here to put your finger in to pull it out. And on top is a rubber stopper. And so with normal tap water, I'm filling it up. I'm using just room temperature water. You do not need hot water for this steam cleaner. It'll make its own steam. And then you just snap your water tank right back in like that. And this whole tank is where your soap goes, the detergent that's going to clean that mess. And it comes out just like that. It comes with 1.5 pints of hardwood floor cleaner for any kind of hardwood floors. So I open the lid by unsnapping it and I pour in the detergent. The MACH Special Detergent. This is enough for 1 month of daily cleaning. Snap back the top and into the back of your MACH V1 Ultra it goes. With the way this cleaning solution is in this tank, it's a brand new trademark mixing technology. It's called the Tesla Valve Mixing. It uses some of the Tesla technology in this industry-leading Tesla Valve Mixing technology that automatically mixes the cleaning solution and the water from 2 separate tanks. And it knows how much to take of each without you having to blend it with the right amounts. And this one tank of the cleaner allows you to clean for 30 days. And the top button is the on button. I'm just going to press that for 1 second.
Stop smart cleaning.
So I'm stepping on it and pulling it back. And the LCD screen is showing me the working status of my MACH vacuum cleaner. It shows that the battery is at 100%. This shows the volume level of the voice prompts. And when I press the lever, it's going to go into max mode. This is the mode button. So I'm pressing it. It just told me this steam is ready to go. Ladies and gentlemen, start your engines and go. That kitchen mess was as messy as I could have made it. I had it on the auto steam on this cleaning because I wanted you to see how well it got up all these different things. Because this is a cordless stick vac and steam mop, it is so easy to operate. It's lightweight and it's a breeze and fun to use to clean up. The MACH V1 Ultra can clean wet and dry messes at the same time and steam away every mess. The MACH V1 Ultra cordless steam wave technology features a continuous flow of high energy steam as it's working on your mess. That high energy steam is so hot that it eliminates 99.9% of bacteria. It's so nice to know that after it cleaned all of this, my floors were clean enough to eat off of because of the way it eliminated all the bacteria on that floor. Now that's something really new in cleaning technology. Wow, this is really amazing. I can't believe it. The whole floor is amazingly clean. I had no idea that they had technology out here like this. Okay, my work is done. Off. I like that the MACH V1 Ultra has told me it needs to go back to the charging base because it wants to self-clean. So I'm putting the charging base right on my kitchen floor so I can show you this. It comes with a cord with a 2-prong normal US 110 volt outlet. Super easy. So plug her in. For self-cleaning, you need at least half of the water tank filled with water. Well, that big mess only took 1/3 of all the water I had in there, so I'm good to go. So the MACH V1 Ultra goes right on the charging base.
Charging.
Thank you. And the self-cleaning button is right on top. It's the one with all the stars on the top, so I'm going to press it to start the self-cleaning process.
Start self-cleaning.
And as that brush is drying, it has a lot of hot heat in it. It is efficiently self-cleaning, it's disinfecting, and it's drying completely. There's bacteria and bugs in that brush, so it has to heat it hot so you don't carry that bacteria into the next room you clean. This is what makes the MACH V1 Ultra a sanitizer, because you don't carry around the germs from one place to the next.
Self-cleaning completed. Please clean the dirty water tank.
I love it because I was notified that the self-cleaning was done and it's time to clean the dirty water tank. Well, I probably would have known to do that, but I'm glad I was voice prompted anyways. And when I was told to clean the dirty water tank, the steam brush is being cleaned right now with a hot air dryer. That's brilliant. I'm going to be working cleaning the water tank, and it's working to clean the roller brush. There's all the dirty water. I press the button down and pull out the tank. Off goes the top. Oh my gosh. And there is all the dirty water. Blech. They make all of the parts really easy to clean out. So you just have to run them under water. You don't even need to touch them to clean them. I like that part. And the parts are so easy to reassemble. And the back has instructions too, in case you forget. So in goes the cleaned out dirty water tank. So many times when you're at a dining table, just the dry ingredients, the stuff the kids are eating, the crumbs will fall and make the mess. We got some sugar and we got some flour. This is linoleum. It's all linoleum. It's been here for like 30 years. And boy, it stands up to the test of time. Let's clean it. I like having my MACH V1 Ultra right here against the wall, close to my dining table. So I'm stepping on it. I'm turning on the power for 1 second. It's going to go right on. I want it to go into suction mode though. I don't need any steam today. So I'm pressing this button to just suction mode. It tells me and it gives me the indication right here. Let's go. Look at how fast that cleans. And it's so lightweight, it is so easy to use, and I'm done. That's as fast as it is to clean a mess that might have taken all dinner time to make. But in 3 seconds, it got done. But somehow, the kids just seem to also get under the table with their messes. And in suction mode, we can clean that mess too. Suction mode. And it'll go really low, so you're able to go underneath the table and underneath the chairs. And it's got a bumper on it. In case you might hit something, it's not going to do any damage. And back to the charger it goes.
Charging. Please start self-cleaning.
Quick as that, under that table is clean. The MACH V1 Ultra also has the most amazing suction power. It is 16,800 PA suction power. PA is a unit of measurement for atmospheric pressure. If the vacuum was only at a 1,000 PA, that would mean it would only suck dust. But the 16,800 PA suction power of the MACH V1 Ultra is gonna get the heaviest of dirt. It is the highest of suction power, which is amazing because it can pick up very heavy objects. And in my house, this is dysfunction junction. I got linoleum, I got wood, I got some old carpet, and I got a carpet on top of the some old carpet. And for demonstration purposes, we are putting rice on all of that junction, all those different surfaces. And to cap it off, we're going to also put some blackbird seed because I want you to see how well this works. Done. Time to clean up my mess. And it's in suction mode. And it's getting all of these surfaces. This once, and it even got the crevices. Wow, that's amazing. And that was just in suction mode, from linoleum to wood to carpet to carpet. So MACH V1 Ultra can be used for all surfaces in your house. I have a guest room in my house, and this room, they come and they stay with their dogs. Well, the dogs can have accidents, which is very filled with bacteria. And it's really worrisome that the bacteria could get into the grains of this hardwood floor. The dogs also shed a lot of hair, and I've saved some so I can demonstrate to you how the MACH V1 Ultra can really clean and disinfect rooms like this. So I press the button on to start it. When I really want to disinfect, I'm going to put it into the steam mode. You can see the red lights on it go on. They wave back and forth as it's getting ready to get into the high action of the steam mode because it's got to heat up the water so it can boil it and steam it out. And it'll turn red when it's ready. And then I'm going to press the lever. It's right under here under the handle, and I press and hold that. And then all the steam starts coming out, and all that steam is getting put onto the ground to kill all those germs. When you're handling lighter messes like pet hair, stuff that's going to fluff up, you just turn off the floor-assisted air drying function, and that's going to avoid the hair being blown away. But here, I was having fun with it. I wasn't paying attention because eventually I got it all up. I really needed it for this dirty floor with all this dog hair. And the dogs do more than just shed hair, let me tell you. And the steam mode is going to make sure I can get all that bacteria up from whatever they leave behind. There hasn't been a vacuum yet with this kind of steam technology. It's cordless steam wave technology. This MACH V1 Ultra is a 3-in-1 product which combines the normal vacuum and steam mop plus cordless. It's 3-in-1. It's not only more convenient, but it also helps you save money and time. You don't have to sweep and then vacuum. It's doing all of it at the same time and sanitizing your area with heat. You don't have to spend money on extra sanitizing products to spray or mop over a clean floor. This has it all in one because of the cleaner inside and that heat technology. And with that steam cleaning, there's also an ozone disinfection technology. And it's telling me it needs to go to its base for self-cleaning. So here we go. When I put it back on the charging base, it also tells you the water tank is dirty. So after it's in its charging base, now I'm going to press the self-cleaning button, which is the stars, because that's the star of the machine. I put my hand down it to feel, and that is warm. It's got a lot of hot air going around that roller. The MACH V1 Ultra is TÜV certified for bacteria elimination. TÜV certification is a highly recognized worldwide trademark of trust and quality. The MACH V1 Ultra arrived at my door, so I took the box into the kitchen, and I took the outer box, and here's what the inner box looks like. It was beautiful. What a great design. It was very sleek. It'd make a great gift. People would love to get this. So you open it up, and this is what it looks like inside. This is how it came packed. Here's everything that came in it. It was all wrapped really well, so it wouldn't get damaged during shipping. So I've taken everything out. I've laid it on my counter. Here's the base. The vacuum comes already fully assembled. It also has a cleaning fluid and these accessories, brush to clean it, the citric acid, because once in a while you're going to want to run that through the machine, maybe once a month. Here's what the vacuum looks like. I put it on the floor so you could see it. Here's different angles of the vacuum. It also comes with an additional multi-surface rolling brush, a cleaning tool, and an additional high-performance filter. And the cleaning fluid is enough to last you many, many months before you would have to reorder this. And those little packets of citric acid, it's just basic citric acid. You can get any citric acid you want. And so all you would do would be pour about 3 tablespoons or 1 packet right into the water tank with one full dose of the clean water. And you'll run that through the machine for one time. It's the same thing that you would use to clean glassware in your dishwasher. Citric acid is just a great descaler. And this is how we clean the rolling brush. I just take it out from underneath the machine. Simple like this. It's really easy. It just pops out. And now I'm going to clean it. And I'm going to clean it with the brush, because sometimes you might have a little too much on it and you're going to have to give it your own little extra cleaning, but that's very, very rare. It just depends if maybe you got yourself into a really big mess and you need a little extra help. But this is something I hardly ever have to do. It also comes with a filter too, in case you really demolish your filter over time. The roller brush cover is magnetic, so it's so easy to assemble. It's not going to scratch up your nails or do anything to mess you up. See, snaps right in, it's all done. It's a super easy vacuum to maintain. Click the link in the description box to get your MACH V1 Ultra steam cleaner. It's fantastic. I love mine, and I'm sure you'll love yours too. I'm Rebecca Brand. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel and ring the bell to get notified of my next video. And let's keep making great recipes in life. And today's recipe is a recipe to clean up a really crazy dirty floor. That was the first recipe that went all wrong. See you next time. Sorry. If you like this video, here's some more over there I think you're gonna like too.